Elisha. I partially did the submission of the UID and wallet address for Bybit on Pineye in preparation for the airdrop, which is likely to be dropped real soon. So what you need to do right now is since we had submitted the UID, if you haven't seen the video where I actually demonstrated how to do that, you had better check it out because I'm gonna leave its link in the description section. So now for today, I'm gonna show you how you have to submit the wallet address for Bybit on Pineye. So I've actually logged on to Bybit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click deposit, and after clicking deposit, I need to hit deposit crypto at the far bottom there. When I click that, I'm gonna see all these cryptocurrencies which have been listed on Bybit. So what I need to do is I need to search for Pineye. So I'm gonna click in the top box there so as to search for Pineye. I'm gonna type in Pine, and there it is. It is there, right? So when I click it, I will see where it reads copy. I don't need to tap there so as to copy the address. Let's do this. All right, so here it is. They're saying, please confirm that you're depositing Pineye to this address on the BSC network. Remember, there'll be an option for you to choose BSC as the network to which you're depositing Pineye. So all you have to do is you click OK, and then you're gonna hit copy. There's a copy icon on the right side. So you click there, then you head back to Pineye bot on Telegram and paste it there. So let me do this. Okay, so I've copied the address. So what I'll need to do is I click in the bottom there where it reads no wallet address. There's going to be tap there, and then paste the address. Thereafter, I will need to save. That'll be good to go. All right, so you will face a bit of some challenge if you simply click wallet where it reads no wallet address. So you need to start all over. Click choose exchange, and then you choose Bybit. Then you go by yes, I have an account, and then make sure you have the UID written somewhere so that you simply punch it in or have it on your clipboard so that you simply paste it, and then you paste in the wallet address as well. Then you hit connect exchange. So I'm going to punch in the UID. I've written it somewhere, and I'm going to also paste in the wallet address, the one that I just copied from Bybit. So let me do that and then hit connect exchange. Okay, so once you're done, you're going to see the green tick as the one you're seeing right now. Go ahead and do that.